Hi beautiful people, you're welcome back to Prudy's Kitchen. Today we're making dynamite chicken thighs with udon noodles. Easy, creamy and so good. If you're new to my kitchen, you're welcome. Thank you so much for coming and please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you all. Thank you so much for being here. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. We're going to need 1 kg of skinless, boneless chicken thighs, 100 grams of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 eggs. I have 1 here, but I later used 2. Half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of paprika powder. I added the spices to the chicken, dissolved the cornstarch with the eggs, and combined everything. Then I deep fried it for about 10 minutes or until it was lightly golden brown. Then I transferred it to the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or until the chicken was crispy and completely cooked. So while our chicken is having a nice time in the air fryer, let's make our dynamite sauce. And for this, we're going to need a cup of sweet chili sauce, a cup of mayonnaise, and a quarter cup of sriracha sauce. I'm using a quarter cup. Yeah, it might look like it's too much, but if you want it less spicy, you could use 2 tablespoons. That's okay. So I'll combine this very well, set it aside, and make our udon noodles. Udon noodles are already cooked. Okay, so I just put it in salted boiling water. Once it separates, which takes about a minute or two, I take it off the heat. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to it to stop it from sticking together and set it aside. I'm going to combine everything right now. First the chicken and then the noodles. And lunch is ready. So I'm going to give you guys a close-up of this, okay? And so that you can see how juicy this chicken is. It's just so good. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching me. And I'll see you next time. Bye.